Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove Grindr Ban from your iPhone. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So typically bans occur due to Grindr suspecting suspicious activity on your account. This could happen if you've been overly active or posting too much, as they may view it as spamming. When Grindr bans you, they block your IP address. So to get around this, you can try changing to a different Wi-Fi network or using your mobile data. If those options don't work, I recommend installing a VPN. You can find various VPNs in the Play Store or the App Store, many of which offer free options. A VPN, or a virtual private network, allows you to change your location. One VPN I recommend is called Proton, which is free to use. By using it, you can select a different country to connect to. This will route your connection through a different server, effectively changing your IP address and allowing you to log back into Grindr. I've also included the Proton link down in the description, so make sure you click on that to access the new VPN. So that's pretty much it. That's how to remove Grindr Ban on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.